Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eat. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best streusel topping. This is perfect for pies, coffee cakes, muffins, and more. So first we're going to melt 6 tablespoons of butter. And now you guys can do this in the microwave if you prefer, but I like to melt butter over the stovetop. So while the butter is melting, we're going to mix up the dry ingredients. So first I'm going to add 95 grams of all-purpose flour, then 57 grams of cane sugar, and then 57 grams of light brown sugar. Next we're going to add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then we're going to add our melted butter. Now we're going to fold together until a paste-like texture forms. And now the secret to the best streusel topping is melted butter. This is because when the butter is melted, it can combine with the sugars and flours completely. This allows you to get a buttery, rich flavor in every single bite, and you won't have any dry portions. So while I use ground cinnamon today because it's classic in a streusel topping, you guys can actually use a different spice if you want, or you can even add spices to create a more complex flavor. For example, if you guys want to make this fall inspired, you could swap out the cinnamon for pumpkin spice. And if you want to make this super cozy for Christmas, go ahead and add in a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. If you want a little kick, go ahead and add in a little bit of ginger. You guys get the idea. And so now this streusel topping is ready to use. You guys can crumble it on top of pies, muffins, or coffee cakes. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more baking tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.